In this video, we are going to discuss what are field mappings and filters. Through field mappings, you can choose fields of a module which you want to sync to Zoho or Quickbooks. Let's take an example of customer and accounts. Customer is a module of Quickbooks and accounts is a module of Zoho. So here we have a field mapping for a sync direction Quickbooks to Zoho. So here account name from Zoho is mapped to the name field of Quickbooks. Similarly, other fields are mapped. We have different mappings for different sync directions. So for example, this is a field mapping for Quickbooks to Zoho, and we have a different mapping from Zoho to Quickbooks for all the modules. We provide default mapping for all the modules, and you can check them by clicking on this button. If you want to provide a static value for a field for any direction, you can set up that as well. Similarly, you can set up field mappings for different modules for different directions as well. Now filters. So filters are very useful when you want to filter out some records from processing. Let's take an example of customers. So whenever the data is flowing from Quickbooks to Zoho, customers, if you have set up the customers filter, it will be used. Whenever a record comes to processing on the platform and it matches these all conditions, it will be filtered by our platform. So I have specified 4 conditions here. For example, the name contains ABC, the time creation of customer should be before this date, balance should be greater than 1000. So if all these conditions match, then the record will be filtered out. You can write an expression for all these conditions. So whenever this expression becomes true, your record will be filtered out. Filters are very useful when you want to customize your data flow from Zoho to Quickbooks or Quickbooks to Zoho. So similarly, you can set up accounts filters as well. So whenever the accounts data is going from Zoho to Quickbooks, these filters will be these conditions will be applied to the data from accounts. So that is it for this video.